So, guys, today we will talk about had better, form, and meaning. We use had better to refer to the present or the future, to talk about actions we think people should do or which are desirable in a specific situation. The verb form is always had, not have. We normally shorten it to better in informal situations. It is followed by the infinitive without to. It's 5 o'clock. I would better go now before the traffic gets too bad. Not. I would better to go now. The democratic movement had better concrete on the immediate issues of the economy and security. More formal. Had better is a strong expression. We use it if we think there will be negative results. If someone does not do what is desired or suggested, she would better get there, better get here soon, or she will miss the opening ceremony. Sometimes people say had best instead of had better, especially in informal speaking. This sounds slightly less strong and less direct. You would best leave it till Monday. There is no one in the office today. Had better. Negative or question forms. The negative of had better is had better not, or had better not. I had better not leave my bag there. Someone might steal it. You had better not tell Elizabeth about the broken glass. She will go crazy. The question form of had better is made by inverting the subject and had. This means the same as should, but is more formal. Had I better speak to John first before I send this form off? What do you think? Had we better leave a note for the delivery guy to take the parcel next door? Negative questions with had better or are more common than affirmative ones. Had not we better ring the school and tell them Liam is sick? Had not you better switch your computer off? It might overheat if you leave it on. Had better or be better, be best. We use had better to give advice in a specific situation. We use the phrase the better to be best plus to infinitive for most general suggestions. It always better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be safe than sorry is a saying which means that you should be careful before taking an action. I think it would be best to speak to the people in the video shop to see why they recommend. Had better or would rather, would prefer. We don't use had better. When we talk about preferences, we use would rather or would prefer. Compare. I would better get a taxi. The buses are so slow. It is good idea, better or advisable to get a taxi. I would rather get a taxi. I don't like buses. I prefer to get a taxi. Had better. Typical errors. We use had better to give specific advice, not to talk about obligations or requirements. Instead, we use have to, have got to, or must. You have to or must hold a full valid driving license to hire a car. Not. You would better hold a full valid driving license to hire a car. We don't use had better to talk about preferences. Instead, we use would rather or would prefer. They offered her a job in Warsaw, but she said she would rather work in a smaller city or she would prefer to work. Not, she would better work. We don't use had better to make ordinary suggestions or recommendations. Like, Auckland is a great place to visit. I would recommend you to take a boat trip across the bay and see some of the islands. Then you can find a nice restaurant for lunch. There are plenty of them. Not. You would better take a boat trip across the bay and see some of the islands. You would better find a nice restaurant for lunch. Is it?